Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Today's video is a collaboration with Erin from Blossy Bee and the Crafty YouTubers United, and we're doing it for World Kindness Day. Now we all know not everybody's kind. In fact, kindness is sort of disappearing, I think, from this world. Anyway, let's bring it back. Now, if we could all do one act of kindness to ourselves, to a random stranger, to family, whoever it is, if you could just do one a day, it passes along. It's infectious. Somebody you do kindness for will go and do something nice for the next person, and hopefully we can spread kindness. That's what we want, isn't it, when all's said and done? Right, should we get started? I'm going to be using today these molds, and I'm going to be using clay, polymer clay, and I'm going to be making a base plate out of Aquacast, and I'm going to be making cherry blossom, as you can see, but I'm going to be doing it slightly different. It's not all going to be one colour, random colours, and I'm going to be sticking the cherry blossom onto the base plate. So we'll get started, shall we? Now I'll show you the polymer clay I'm using. I got these from the range here in the UK. I suppose any would do, but I got these just to see what these were like. I've used other makes of polymer clay, but these are like all different colours, which is nice. So I've got the white out, I've got the pink out, and I've also got a lilac out. So we will make a few flowers. Oh, we need brown and green as well, obviously, for the sticks. I'll get everything together and then I'll come back, okay? I'm going to make plenty more of these, but I just want to show you what I've been doing. Right, I've got a little pot there, and I've just got some mica powder, tapping a bit in, just a bit. I'm going to be putting alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, in it. Give it a good mix up. And all I've been doing is just doing the centre of the flower, dabbing it off a bit. There we go, and it just gives the centre something. And I'm going to be doing that to them all. There we go. It just gives it a bit of shimmer. Like I say, I'm going to do plenty more. I'm going to be doing some of these and I'm going to put them in the oven. And now I presume all polymer clays are different. This one says in the oven at 120 to 130 degrees C for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll bake them and I'll come back to you. Right, they've been baked now. I actually left them in for about 20 minutes or maybe a little bit more. They were still a bit soft and they're all ready to assemble, but we need a base. So what I'm going to do is I'll put these to the side. This is a cake mould. It's large, isn't it? All I'm going to do is a base of Aquacast in like a pale blue. So I'm just going to get my Aquacast mixed up. I've been really busy and it's been about a week, so I can assure you this is fully dry now. Let's take it out. There we go. What a lovely shade of blue. My fingers are wet, so I'm trying not to touch it. Right, what we're going to do now, I've done the stencil on the cricket. For some reason that piece is sticking up. We'll see what we can do with that. Sorry. Right, I'm just going to take it off. There we go. Should have taken it off with transfer tape. Just give me a minute, I'll be right back. Right, I've got the polymer clay flowers, and all I'm going to do is I'm using Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. It's a water based, but it is absolutely fantastic with Aquacast. complete disaster with it. As you can see, it's slightly different. You couldn't see the white. It was a shame. I really loved it, but you could not see the white writing. So I covered it with a silver edging pen, and it was even worse. It was absolutely awful. So I thought, right, I'll go for black. So I tried to wipe it off with alcohol. It smeared it all. So what I've had to do is I've had to take the flowers off, paint it, put the flowers back on. I've put vinyl on, and I'm not really very happy with the flower arrangement. The arrangement on the first one was fabulous, and this, I don't know. I took a photo. I sat the photo, my phone in front of me, so that I could do it exactly the same. And it didn't. I got very, very frustrated, nearly threw it across the room. But anyway, this is the finished result. I have got some, what do you call them, picture hanging things, picture hooks, and I'm going to screw them into the back so that it could be hung up. But there we go. Not my best work. The first one was lovely. Anyway, there's no point going back to that. This wasn't very kind to me, considering it's for a World Kindness Day. But we got there in the end, and I'm going to put the playlist for all the other creators in this collaboration in the description box below for you. Please go ahead and watch them all. A wonderful thing, World Kindness Day. You know, really, we shouldn't have it have to be told, but not all of us are the same, are we? Be kind to yourself today, tomorrow, and the day after. Continue and try and do one random act of kindness every day. It will make you feel better. It really will. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.